Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be showing you how to create the super easy pink eye look using the MORPHE JEFFREESTAR palette. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so for this look today, I'm thinking of doing something that's like pink, girly, pretty, sparkly, glittery. That's kind of my thought process. So basically, I got the MORPHE JEFFREESTAR palette delivered yesterday. It took like 3 weeks to come, so like quite a long time. I was so excited waiting for it to come because like, look at these colours. Like, it's just got so many different colours and I literally am obsessed with this hot pink colour. So I thought we'd have a play around with some pinks and yeah, just do like a pink eyeshadow look. So I feel like I've not really done a pink eyeshadow look on my channel and I do quite like them, especially like festival season and stuff like that. Like I really do enjoy a pink eyeshadow look. So I thought that's what we would do today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my base first, draw my eyebrows, then do my eyes and then finish my face. So I don't know if any of you guys like to do this, but what I like to do is I like to put my foundation on so then like I can draw my eyebrows on my eyeshadow and then like do the concealer, bronzer and stuff after. I do this quite a lot when I'm doing like a heavier eye makeup just in case there's fallout or anything like that. So that is how we're gonna start. I feel like the base of the face we're gonna be using 3 products. So for primer we're gonna be using the Too Faced Hangover primer, like such a classic primer that I go to. And then we're gonna be mixing in some sleek highlighting drops in the shade Poppin bottles just to like give a bit of a glow to the skin. And then the foundation we're gonna be using is the Wet n Wild foundation Photo Focus in Desert Beige. So this I got in my Feel Unique haul the other week and I've actually been really enjoying it. It is a little bit dark, but when I brighten up with concealer and like bronzer and stuff, it looks like such a good match and I've got fake tan on. So be warned, it looks a little bit dark when I first put it on, but then it does like get brighter when I like do other stuff to it. But I really like this foundation and for £6 it's so cheap. So yeah, let's get started. I think I'm gonna have to get a hairband. I thought we'd get a nice pink hairband, you know, like go with a theme. But yeah, so let's begin. So when I'm mixing in liquid illuminators with my primer, I always like to put it on like after I put on my primer because I don't want my entire face to be glowing. I just want like certain bits. So I'll show you where I put it. So then with the illuminating drops, what I'm going to do is just basically wipe them on my nose, my cupid's bow, my cheekbones, and yeah, just leave it as that really. But I think just adding it here like gives like a really nice like highlighty glow for your base to then have. So I just blend this out using a beauty blender. So my face looks like super glowy, but I quite like it, like very glowy. So next, foundation. So using the Wet n Wild Desert Beige colour. So like I said, like this does look super dark when I first put it on, but once it's like finished at the end, like it really does tie all together. And then I've been liking blending this out with my beauty blender. I think it gives a really nice like coverage and finish to the look. Okay, so that's like the start of the base done. So now what I'm gonna do is I've got like the base down, just like a quick base. Just I found it easier to like draw my eyebrows when I've got some foundation on. Otherwise, like I don't know. I just think this is like easy when I'm doing a heavier eyeshadow look. So I'm now gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do one eye. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show you how to create like a really pretty pink eyeshadow look. I quickly forgot to say, for brows I am going to be using my Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 3 and the Benefit brow gel thing. I don't know what shade or what colour this is because everything is rubbed out because it's been like in my makeup bag loads, but it's just like the brown shade. But that's what I'm going to be using for brows. Okay, so this is what the eye looks like. Just like really pink glittery. So now I'm going to show you how to do it on this eye. Okay, so to start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelid. So I'm going to be using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I used to use this all the time when I was younger, but I haven't actually used it in a while. And then once we've primed the lid, we are going to go in with the shade Lin from the palette, which is just like a white sort of colour, just to sort of set the base in place. Next, going in with the shade Back, it's like a pale pink, and then just put this all over the crease. Next, going in with the colour Self-Made, which is the super hot pink colour for the palette. Just put this in like the lower crease than the top bit and like blend these two together. So what I did is I just went in with both brushes until like I got like a nice blend. But like, look how bright that is. I love it. Next, taking the shade Mogul, we're just going to put this in like the outer V. This is like a dark purple kind of colour, just to add like a bit of depth to the eye. And then blend this out with the hot pink shade. And then going into the colour Pink Flare, then just sort of blend this into the dark purple, sort of just put it like in this little section of the eyelid, if that makes sense. And then basically those are the three main colours, so just keep going in and out with those until you sort of get like a nice little transition going on and like a nice way to like blend it all out. And then once you're happy with sort of the colour transition, go in with the shade 2 and just put that all over the rest of the eyelid. So this is like a really nice like pink shimmer. And then make sure to drag this all the way into the inner corner and then just drag it back out. And then go back in with the Pink Flirt colour and just sort of like blend that into the glitter until you've got the sort of look that you want. And so that's basically like the eyeshadow done, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a winged eyeliner and also some white in the waterline. So I'm using the NYX pencil in the shade 604 Milk. And then the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Hollywood Heels by Morphe lashes. And so what I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to go put some white eyeliner in my waterline, put a black winged liner on, put the lashes on, put the mascara on, and then we will finish the eyes and the face. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we are going to go carry on with the rest of the face, and then we'll come back to the eyes later and like finish them off. So for concealer today, we're going to be using the E.L.F Flawless Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And for concealer, I just basically put it on my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and my forehead. then to set this all in place, today we're going to be using the Revolution Luxury Banana Powder just to set the face and all that stuff. And then for bronzer, we're going to be taking a mix of two ones. The first one we're going to be using is the Morphe Brontour in the shade Frenemy. And we're going to be using like the sparkly one. And then also we're going to be going in with the Dark Golden Mineralized bronzer from MAC, which I always use. So just sort of like blend the two together. And then for highlighter, we're actually going to be taking a super cheap one. It's from Primark and it's called the Brunch Club Highlighter. But this is actually such a beautiful colour. And it gives like a really like dramatic highlight, which I thought would look quite nice with this look. So just putting that basically everywhere you put the first highlighter when we were like doing our base. To go back in with the eyes, I'll just zoom you in. So for the eyes, we are going to be using the hot pink shade and we're just going to run that under the waterline. And then we're going to go in with the highlighter that we just used and put that on the inner corners of the eye look. And then just apply bottom mascara to the bottom lashes. So I thought as the eye's like quite dramatic, we would do like a really nude lip. So for the lip liner, we are going to be taking the NYX Free Spirit lip liner and just outlining our lips. And then next we're going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Cake lipstick and just put this in sort of like the middle and blend the two together. And then to finish off with the lip gloss, we are going to be using the MAC lip gloss in the colour Brilliant ELIXR. Is that the colour? I don't know, but it's just like a pink little one. It's a tester one that I got from ASOS. And then to set this all in place, we're going to be taking the NYX Matte Finish setting spray just to set the face. So this is the finished look. I actually really like it, and I have to say the Jeffree Star Morphe palette is actually so nice. All the colours are so pigmented, they're easy to blend, and there's like no fallout. So I'm really happy that I got this palette, and I got like a huge discount on it, and they were doing this like this promotional thing on their website, and I managed to get loads of money off it. So I think it was only like 20 quid maybe for the palette, maybe less, but yeah, it was really good, and I do really recommend it. There are so many colours and they're all so pretty, and you could do so many different eyeshadow looks with it. Like you could do neutrals, you could do darks, you could do brights, you could do colours. Like the list is endless. The list is endless is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I really enjoyed filming it because I like doing makeup looks which are a little bit different. And yeah, if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.